ẹ wá gbọ́ tuntun tí Prophet Joshua Iginla sọ nípa ìjọba Tinubu àti bọ́n ṣe fi ṣe àfarawé fún ìjọba Ibrahim Traore ti Burkina Faso pẹ̀lú gbogbo oríṣiríṣi tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lásìgbò oríṣiríṣi tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Nàìjíríà, gbogbo ohun tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Plateau, gbogbo ìpànìyàn lọ́tún lósì, gbogbo àìríjẹ àìrímu tí àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà ti kò sí. Ẹ wo Prophet Joshua Iginla ti sọ ohun tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ o, kí ló máa ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan, kí ni gbogbo ohun tí wọ́n sọ pé ó yẹ kí ìjọba máa ṣe pàápàá fún àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà láti lè rí mùdùnmúdùn ìjọba lágbádá jẹ. Ẹ wo kí ló fà á tó ṣe rí bẹ́ẹ̀, kí ni wọ́n sọ nípa àwọn Ìgbò tí wọ́n jẹ́ president ní àbí báwo ló ṣe jẹ́ gangan. Ẹ gbọ́ ohun tí wọ́n sọ nípa ìdí tó ṣe yẹ kí gbogbo ẹ̀yà pátápátá ní àǹfààní láti jẹ olórí orílẹ̀-èdè ní Nàìjíríà. Ẹ wo fọ́nrán yìí kún fọ́fọ́ o. Prophet Joshua Iginla tú ọ̀rọ̀ kalẹ̀ o. Wọ́n tú ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àṣírí, wọ́n ṣe ìkìlọ̀ tó lágbára o. Ẹ gbọ́ ẹ̀kúnrẹ́rẹ́ lẹ́nu wọn.
We have passionless leaders. Today we elect people into position. Yet there's no burden and feeling and empathy for the people. Look at the killing in Plateau State. Lives have been lost. Thank God for our security operatives. But that's not enough. In a country where we should be enjoying the fruit of the mineral resources God has given us. Look at the killing in Benue. Look at the killing in the eastern part of our country. People can no longer go to their farm. Christians are murdered in cold blood. People are being kidnapped. Our leaders must do better. Every politician in this country, God is watching you people. While you are busy preparing for 2027, you should remember we elected you to give the dividends of democracy to the people. In a country where our citizens can no longer close their eyes. Spain! The killing in Plateau is condemnable. We can do better than this. Rather than jumping from one political party to another, please help the poor masses of Nigeria. This inter-party politics is not what we need. Give us the dividends of democracy. We voted you people into power. For these reasons you campaign. Why is the song of decamping from one party to another important as giving the dividends of democracy to the masses and the poor? People can no longer travel by the road. I don't blame our security operatives. I don't blame them. It's overwhelming. And hear me, when there is no political will, there will be no security will. Lord is going on. The destiny of Nigeria is under threat. And we need to pray for this country. I believe in democracy. I believe in the government of the people, by the people, and for the people. But what is the excess of a system of government that does not deliver the purpose of its setup to the people? I frown at military takeover or coup. I frown at it. But the young man in Burkina Faso is just young. But look at what he is doing. You might call it any kind of system of government you want to call it, but look at the dividend of what is given to the country and the people. Set up the gold mine, set up even tomatoes factory, and internal industries are being built, housing facility going on. Yet he's a military personnel. Hear me, it is about the mentality and the will. So hear me, the system of government is important, but if the people in power are not willing to cause a change, we remain where we are. So many destiny tied down in a country that is great. People are producing oil. They cannot have access to the oil. We have gold in one part of this country. They are using a helicopter to fly it from the center and go. Nobody is talking. But we can talk about the oil in the Niger Delta. But we will not talk about this one in that other place. The structure of Nigeria, until we decide to be realistic, until we make up our mind and say, okay, Yoruba, you have ruled. North, you have ruled. Igbo, come and try your best. If there is no justice, there is no one Nigeria. Well, what are you saying? It's only good for Yoruba, it's good for Hausa, it's not good for Igbo. I know some people will not be able to talk. Me, I will talk. I will talk the talk. I'm a Yoruba man. What is wrong in an Igbo man ruling this country? I'm not a tribal bigot, but I'm saying if Yoruba have tried, fine. Hausa have tried, fine. Give it to the person you are looking down. He uses the foolish things of this world to confirm the wisdom of the wise. Are we not one Nigeria? The destiny of this country is tied down by the injustice we have in this country. You cannot be beating a baby and the baby is crying. You say, don't cry. How will the baby not cry? You are beating a baby and the baby is crying. And you are still pitching the baby. You say, don't cry. Baby, cry, oh, cry. If you don't cry, they will not hear you. Cry and change your baby cry to don't cry. Cry, cry. Don't use weapon. Cry, 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 cry. And the Bible said, I will cry unto the Lord, and he will hear my cry and answer me out of his holy sanctuary.
ẹ já gbọ́ díẹ̀ lára nǹkan tí àwọn èèyàn ń sọ lórí ayélujára nígbà tí wọ́n wo fọ́nrán yìí tí wọ́n gbọ́rọ̀ lẹ́nu Prophet Joshua Iginla. Arákùnrin kan ní Stanley Ofuigbo lórúkọ ẹ̀. Ó ní the truth is that the president is not interested in the affairs and welfare of the citizens of Nigeria. ẹ já gbọ́ ohun tí arákùnrin yìí sọ. Sewazon comedy. Ó ní this is seriously serious. Anarchy is on the rise. Tinubu is a great president and APC government is useless. Street prophet 00 ní, but you said Tinubu is a good man now. Okay, Chukwu Chineduni pastor, you are truly a politician indeed. Please go back and consult your God concerning what we are passing through in the hands of T-Pain administration. Remember, you said the David of Nigeria will manifest in 2031. Stop crying over spilled milk. Street prophet, it was so. Only speak like Elisha. Don't be speaking like begging politicians. You were supporting Tinubu now. Ọ̀rọ̀ rẹ o, ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa. Aminu Sani wá dá lóhùn, ó ní true. He really supports Tinubu then. Ọ̀rọ̀ ti bá bòmí yọ o lórí ohun táwọn èèyàn sọ lórí ayélujára nígbà tí wọ́n gbọ́ fọ́nrán tí bàbá ìṣèjáde àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí wọ́n tú jáde yẹn Prophet Iginla. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, kí lè ro ti yín náà? Ẹ̀yin náà drop ẹ̀ sí comment section. Drop comment and remember to like, share and follow us. Thanks for watching. Now fún ìpolówó ọjà ẹ pè WhatsApp number page.
Tẹ́ ẹ bá lè rí àmì ṣe gbogbo ogun tó lóhùn ní gbọ́ tó lóhùn ní gbà lórí ayé yín, iná agbára Ọlọ́run máa jó dànù. Kí lè nǹkan tẹ́ ń là kọjá tó dàbí pé ẹ ti wá ọ̀nà àbáyọ ṣùgbọ́n tí ẹ ti rí ọ̀nà àbáyọ. Ẹ ti pàdé wòlíì yín ló fà, ṣùgbọ́n arán mi sí ọ lónìí dádì, arán mi sí ọ lónìí mọ́mì. Olúwa lòun fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan ńlá nínú ayé yín. Olúwa sọ wípé gbogbo tẹ́ ń là kọjá yẹn òun fẹ́ fi òpin sí. Kí nìkan tẹ́ ń là kọjá lórí ìgbéyàwó ni, lórí ọmọ ni, lórí iṣẹ́ ni, níbi gbogbo ni, bóyá ogun kan ló dàbí pé ogun yẹn le, ẹ ti gbìyànjú kò tí ì sí ọ̀nà àbáyọ. Ẹ jẹ́ àjọ gbàdúrà, ẹ jẹ́ àjọ wá ojú Olúwa, kí làṣírí ogun yẹn gangan, ẹ jẹ́ àjọ wádìí lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run, ká dẹ̀ mọ ọ̀nà àbáyọ. Ẹ̀rọ ìbánisọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ fi pè mí fún àdúrà àti ọ̀nà àbáyọ, òun náà ni +234 7025 47 5427 +234 7025 47 5427. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń pè mí fún àdúrà lórúkọ Jésù ẹ máa rí ìyanu.